So in this video, I just want to do a quick explanation of how to change the content on WordPress pages. So here we're on the About Us page, and you see we don't have any content here yet. So I'm going to come over here into the dashboard, and I'm going to come over to Pages. I'm going to go look at all pages. Now, I could change this from the page, About, like here, and that would actually take me directly into where I can actually change the content of the page, and that's going to be down here in the editor, right down here. You're going to see some other stuff. You're going to see a page description, OTW, grid manager, page header image. You can collapse all of those, as a matter of fact. Very easy to do. And right down here is where you change the content of your site. We're in a blank text editor right now, but if you click on Visual, you'll get kind of a little, what they call a little kitchen sink of tools right here. And while you're in it, you will be able to add content, such as, let's say we wanted to add a header. I'll put this is a header. Select all of that, and let's change that into a heading 1. And then I will come down to the next line, and I will put, this is a subheading here. Select it, and we'll make it a heading 3. So down here, this will be a paragraph, and we'll just leave that the way it is because it's already a paragraph. And here we can put a list in. Select all of those and make it an unordered list. Okay, great. So now I'm just going to go ahead, come over here, and click Update. That's going to take me now that I've updated the page. You'll see page update. I could click here to view the page. I could click here to view the page. Or if I've already got the page up out here, I can just come over here and refresh the page. And now in the content of our page, you'll see we have a header, and we have a subheading, and a paragraph, and item 1, 2, 3. And we can do that throughout this entire page. You can bring in quite a tremendous amount of content. If you wanted to put some media in there, for instance, still in the list item. Let's go ahead and move down here and get rid of that. I'm going to go ahead and add some media from the media library. Let's see what we've got here. So we've got our little advertisement. Great. Let's go ahead and click Update. And that's going to go ahead and place that picture in right below the content that we had before. Now, if I wanted to float this picture to the left, I could actually come over here and I can click on this picture right here. And I can actually click on this little picture icon, and it's going to bring this up. And I can actually tell this, take this and put it over to the right so that it's going to wrap and there's going to be a bunch of text all the way over there to the right. Then I'm just going to come down here and click Update and Update here. And now what it's going to do is it's just going to take and it's going to float this over to the right is what it's going to do. If I had this sitting up here, up higher, I could come over here to the code, for instance, and I could take just this code right here for this and bring this all the way up right here and make it level with this. And now that I've done that, you'll see that it's now going to change position. Just a moment here. And you'll see now it's got stuff floated to the left of it. So anyway, that's how you make basic changes to pages. Very, very simple, easy to do. As I said, you can do it right here with the Visual Composer or come right in here and edit the code, either one. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of everything here because we don't need it. And then just go ahead and update the page so that now we've returned to the blank page that we had before. So anyway, that is how you make changes to pages in WordPress.